Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by confirming your Vivo Y91 runs Android 9 or later. Private DNS is only available there. Once verified, open Settings and go to More Settings to surface network controls. Make sure you have the exact DNS hostname you want to use written down. This is required for the next step. Don't skip updates. They can add or fix the private DNS option. Now that you're in More Settings and the host name is ready, move to the private DNS entry. You need to open Private DNS and change the mode to Private DNS Provider Hostname. This is the only supported way to set a custom resolver on this device. Once selected, type or paste the DNS hostname exactly as provided. Precision matters, no extra spaces or protocol prefixes. After entering it, tap Save or OK. The system will try to validate the hostname. If it accepts, the phone will route DNS over TLS to that host. If it rejects, finish by returning to More Settings and confirming the hostname is listed under Private DNS. That shows it's active. If browsing breaks, toggle Private DNS off and on, then reboot the phone. Intermittent validation failures clear with a restart. If problems persist, try a different known good hostname or contact your carrier. Some providers block DNS over TLS. One troubleshooting tip. A failed hostname entry usually means a typo or a server that does not support DNS over TLS, so verify the provider supports DNS over TLS before assuming the phone is at fault.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.